President ka Voice of the People Party VPP but MLA ka nongkrem Bah Ardent Miller Basayamon ula kino ya ka sorkar jala bakam shimla ailad satya ya ka liang pyrshah banra kimat ki bayadei bar upat ba. Sya bangan penpau ya ki jingshi sya kipat ba iklayu kumno ka sorkar ka penyat kumno la penyat ya ka ying dorbar kumta kipat ba ru kisngotho ba ki parti liang pyrshah kinam yolat satya banra kimat ki bayadei bar upat ba ong Bah Ardent haba kren syakilat patai kubor haga kat nyau tarik rempang kata hadin ba lampang ka ying dorbar tauan ula khanglat banyakren halor ka jing patai badang shan jong ka parti doyong hamen sengat tangsko. Ula benrap bawat la kila persyang benbut renti rules of procedure and conduct of business Henry Bunsien kaliang persyak kila syak khanglan ban keren hapo kayang dorbar. Ngin persyang ngila persyang bat ngila lekat kum rule ngim kwa banyat palat namar kipat ba kila dep ban rai kila yo iya ka baka sorkar kila le ula ong. Kadon kapore ki baro ong Bah Ardent haba penpau bagi pat ba kila depan bishar ya kajing terekam jong ke sorkar.
So though you have denied me the and not admit my submission, so I would like to make a submission today, sir. Because every time, sir, we find that the executive often uses sub judice broadly to avoid embarrassment, avoid immediate accountability, and to delay political debate. So, according to Article 194, powers and privileges of the state legislature. And as the legislature, we have the freedom of speech within the House and power to discuss matters of public importance. And even courts themselves, repeatedly held that legislative discussion is not barred merely because the case is pending. So, sir, unless it directly interferes with adjudication. So, sir, there are few areas which we are not supposed to be allowed to discuss, and there are some areas that we are supposed to be allowed. So we know that we cannot discuss guilty, innocence, evidence in court merits, and judicial findings. However, sir, we can discuss on administrative failure, policy lapses, and government negligence, and also preventive measures, sir. So, sir, I feel that the executive should not hide itself under this provision of sub judice. So I feel that whatever happened in East Giant Hills is a matter of serious concern, that all the members of this House should be given a chance to deliberate this issue, sir. So if you allow, then I think it will be for the benefit of the people of the state. The people of the state, they are watching, they want to know exactly what led to that unfortunate incident and the matters surrounding this illegal extraction of coal in the state, sir.
Earlier, Honorable Chief Minister had already made a suo motu statement in this regard, and I have also received that this matter is sub judice and cannot be is pending at the court of law and cannot be discussed. So, accordingly, I have taken this decision based on Rule Number 57, Subclause 6, and I stand by my decision, and the Speaker's decision is final.
I have mentioned or spoken inside the House that you'll find not only once, but many a time, the executive will try, often uses this sub judice provision in the rule as an excuse, to avoid debates, to avoid embarrassment, to avoid accountability, and also to delay political debates. So you see, even the courts, the courts have repeatedly held that legislative discussion is not barred unless you interfere with the adjudication of the court. So there are issues, you know, that we can discuss, and there are issues which we are not supposed to discuss. So, but the government has always hid itself under this provision. It's quite unfortunate because the issue that we raise is, of huge public importance. Let me be honest with you, as it is, the people they have seen the how the government is conducting, how the house is conducting. So the people also they understand that the opposition parties will not be given enough opportunity to raise issues concerning the people. We will try. We have tried. We have done according to as per the rules and procedure of conduct of business. We don't want to go much beyond because the people have already made up their minds. They have seen what this government have been doing. They have seen how we were prevented every time to speak in the house. So there is time for everything.